Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download YouTube videos on your laptop or desktop computers. Now, at first, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Then just go to www.youtube.com. Then just open any of the video which you want to download. Now, the main benefit of downloading a video is that you can view it offline as well without internet. So just scroll down a bit. And right next to the dislike button, you're going to find the download button. Just click on this. Now you can download standard quality or low quality for free, but if you want full HD or high quality, you must have YouTube Premium. So select the quality which you want to download at and click on download. Then just wait and give it some time, it will start downloading. You can click on view right here and it will show the progress of the downloads. And from here, if you want to know where to go to find the video, just click on the hamburger menu on the top left. Then from here, under U section, you're gonna find downloads. Just go to downloads. Then inside downloads, you're gonna find your downloaded video. And now you can watch this offline if you don't have internet. And that is how to download YouTube videos on your laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.